Ni hao. Mayong adlaw sa tanan karon na ako diri sa City Mall in Bacalso kay mag-inamaw ko na may nag-open diya nga bagong cellphone shop na maligyag iPhones ba ang in-shop. Akong inamawan ang staff kasabwat ako ang tagiya nagkasinabot mi nga inamawan na mo ang iyang bagong nga staff. Nya wa pa mo ka costume mag-ilis ako. Wa shong choi yang ne phong ne na rakutin phong ne shushin fuji yak phong na shong toi yang ne ni hao.
Hi, sir.
Ni hao. Shong yang lai phong no. Rakutin phong shin tai na wang phone.
An iPhone?
Phone. Shong toi yang la phone ne. Nak toi yang na na rakutin na rakutin na wamani yatani. You Philippine?
Yes, sir.
Jay, hi, Philippine. Shong yang lai phone.
You want to show an iPhone?
Yeah, iPhone.
What kind of iPhone, sir?
iPhone
We have here an iPhone 11, iPhone 11 Pro Max,
4 Max, iPhone 4 Max,
iPhone
4 Max,
Pro Max,
iPhone 4 Max.
iPhone 14 Pro Max, or iPhone 13 Pro Max.
Good.
Here, we have here color.
Yang iPhone ne na Xing Teng na Philippine.
Yes, sir.
Good.
We have here an iPhone 13 Pro Max, 256 GB, in the color of gold.
Good.
Gold, yes, sir.
Xing Shai na iPhone no. Na wamani yatani yetsenet na yukuluk Xing Tang phone. Xing Ta la ya rato yang na.
The language? Do you want me to open this? Do you want to see it?
Shong yang lai xiang na. Shong yang lan ne yukuluk. Yukuluk phone. Yukuluk phone. iPhone.
Collect?
Yukuluk.
No, we just sell it.
Good.
Yeah, it's good. There's no issues.
iPhone.
Yes, it's
iPhone.
iPhone 13 Pro Max.
4 Max.
Yes,
iPhone 4 Max.
There's
Hanya na
no difference.
Xing Teng na.
but it's pre-owned.
Good.
Yeah, it's good. Good quality. As you can see the picture here, it's so shiny and there's no dents at all. So,
New.
yes, sir. But it's not a brand new. It's just a pre-owned.
No
Second
new.
class.
No new.
We have brand.
Xing Tai lang phone ne.
But we cannot open it since it is sealed.
Kaya lang phone no.
Yeah. But we have a sample here. We have here an iPhone.
Good.
Yeah, it's good. We have here the camera. You can test the
Xong yang ne phone no. Rang Teng na ya wang rakutin na Xong Tuwang. Xong Tuwang ne. Na Tuwang ne. iPhone.
English only, sir. I cannot.
Na Tuwang ne Xing Tai yang no. Na Xing Tai yang ne na rakutin na Shushin Fuji Tok Tuwang na. Ay Xing Tai da na phone ne na Philippines.
Here's the sir, the camera, the picture of the camera. It has a 0.5.
Good.
Yeah, it's good. It's very clear. As you can see.
Xing yang na phone ne na raktang wa na Xing Teng na.
Yeah, you can zoom it and then you can have a video on it. It's very clear, right?
Good.
Yeah.
Xong yang la phone noi na
There
Xing
is
Teng
a
na.
cinematic feature. Look
We
at
go to one month work?
no.
No? Only Philippines?
Yeah, you can bring it to your country, sir.
Good.
Yes, it's good.
Xing lai phone no. Tai ta wang nai rat ta.
So yeah, the iPhone 13 Pro Max has its own cinematic camera feature.
No xing nai na rat ting ne na phone no. Nai tai wang na. Wang Xing yang lai phone no. Rakutin na Shushin Fuji. Shushin Fuji yang phone no.
Sir, I cannot understand.
No?
No, Rakuten Shuhin Fuji, phone iPhone, phone max yang la phone no.
It's just here. More yung this is our our available iPhone here in our shop.
Good.
Yeah, it is all good. Good quality.
Xin yang la phone này na rokto. Nai xin ta lak to ya na Rakuten Shuhin Fuji wang mani ya tani itsin. Wang mani ya tani itsin. Ito na yuku. No?
No, sir.
Ai xin yang la phone này tại Raktung wa.
Search. What country are you from, sir?
Me?
Yes.
Woman is from next to Taiwan. Woman is.
Vietnam?
Woman is next to Taiwan. You Philippines?
Yes, sir.
Philippines.
Woman.
Philippines. Xin yang lai phong no na Rakuten Fuji. Woman ni yatani itsinip yukulok natuwang ne sing tang lawa. Natuwang ne.
You are a Japanese, sir? No.
Half.
Half Japanese, so
Sing tai na natuwang ne sing tereng na woman ni yatani itsinip teng na yukulok sing to. Song to long na. Woman ni yatani.
our latest model here, sir, is iPhone 14 Pro Max for 256. You will convert it into
Siya yan na rong tuwang na natuwang ne sin na wamani yatani.
here, sir.
Pay.
Do you want to buy this?
Four.
4? 4 pieces?
iPhone 4 Max. 4 Max.
What mode of payment do you want to process, sir?
I pay now.
Cash?
Yeah, siya na. Yung lai na phone na Rakuten siya Fuji payment. Cash?
Yes, sir. A Philippine money?
Yeah, Philippine. 4.
Yeah, I will look for the three of
May siyang tangwa. Nói là riêng nè sinh tên wa, so xin Fuji wa mani yatani. No?
I will look for I will look for another 3 of this. Do you want 4 of this? iPhone 13? iPhone 13? 4?
4 phone. Cell phone.
4 phones?
Yeah.
Okay. With the same model, iPhone 13 Pro Max?
Siya yang lai phone này na phone này.
We have here an iPhone 13 Pro.
Okay, good.
This one, you like this?
Yes, good. I xin tai lai phone nó, reng teng na. Xin phone này, xin Fuji wa mani.
Ang iPhone 13 Pro Max, pila gani ate?
Okay. Siya yang lai phone, pay.
Ano, dili ba ni
Okay.
Singaporean money mo?
Xin yang phone nó, Rakuten Fuji. Pay, cash.
You don't
cash.
have a Philippine money?
Cash, pay, cash.
You don't have a Philippine money, sir?
Cash?
Yeah, a Philippine money cash.
No?
Bill.
No?
It's because it's a Singaporean. We cannot accept it right now. It's our grand opening here.
Card. Siya yang la phone này na Rakuten Fuji yang la phone. Lai phone này na yung shui yang li phone này na ring na tuwang ne.
Sir, I cannot understand.
Na tuwang ne.
I'm sorry, sir, but we cannot accept your money, sir, right now. Because it's dollars, sir. It's a Singaporean dollar. If you want to buy an iPhone, sir, you have to make it. You have to go to a change money. You have to change it. Yeah.
Doon ra layo asa man pagpailis.
Kakaan, sir.
Pangapak ra ba?
Ala, na prank ko Sabi ko! Bato na si Buwana yung card. Dito na na.
Di sila, di sila mo dapat si Buwan.
Kala ko. Kapuya
Ah,
sir.
pero, prank namin tayo.
Ako pasabot ha.
Ay,
Away, alay diri bago. Ito di ka kasi mong Buwana yung si Buwana ang card. Lagot.
kung sabong na sila. Kaya, rider man ni. Bago naman siya, sir. Bago din siya. Alright, na-prank na ko ang staff sa in-shop.
Ayaw lagi dito sir.
Opening nato, dapat may tag-sale.
Karon mo nag-open, no?
Yes.
Bago rin sila nag-open, na sila diri sa City Mall in Bacalso. Inigsodi mo sa entrance, makita din mo. Na ay mga iPhones, na ay pre-owned, na ay mga brand new. Nindot kay diri, dali ra kay ka ma-approve kung mo-apply ka Skyro, nasa sila home credit. Nga. Ingna lang ang agent nga bumbalabab para taas kag approval rate.
Hindi na ko mo-duty ako na.
Mundang na ko na siya.
Talay po sa sponsor.
Ay, ito.
Kainit eh.
Naku, te.
Mobile na aircon.
Upat untay ang halin, wa de.
Sa card